Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of disabling notifications in the PUMA app. Whether you're looking to reduce distractions or simply prefer a quieter experience, we've got you covered. First, open the PUMA app on your phone. Look at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. Next, once you are in the account section, you will see a menu. From there, tap on Settings. Now, tap on Notifications to access your notification preferences. Finally, find PUMA messages in the list and toggle it off to stop receiving these notifications. Then confirm by clicking Yes. This will open your phone's Settings app. Next, in the Settings, tap Manage Notifications and turn off Allow Notifications to completely stop PUMA from sending alerts. And that's it. You've successfully disabled PUMA app notifications. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.